Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. In today's lesson, we are going to do some negative questions like, aren't you well? Contracted and uncontracted forms. Contracted conversational after auxiliary verb. Uncontracted formal unusual not after subject. For example, why isn't it ready yet? Doesn't she know? Uncontracted. Why is it not ready yet? Does she not know? We say, aren't I, not amn't I. Aren't I next? No, I'm. But not I aren't next. Make the following questions more conversational. For example, are you not well? Aren't you well? Next, can you not swim? Can't you swim? Next, do you not speak Spanish? Don't you speak Spanish? Next, were the shops not open? Weren't the shops open? Next, has Ain not arrived? Hasn't Ain arrived? Next, did she not know him? Didn't she know him? Next, why are you not working? Why aren't you working? Next, has the postman not come? Hasn't the postman come? Next, is your mother not at home? Isn't your mother at home? Next, are you not ready yet? Aren't you ready yet? Next, do they not understand? Don't they understand? We often use negative questions to check that something has not happened, is not true, etc. The meaning is like, is it true that, not? Don't you feel well? Oh dear, can't they come this evening? Negative questions can also express surprise that something has not happened, is not happening, etc. For example, hasn't the postman come yet? Didn't she tell you she was married? This may sound critical. Can't you read? It says, closed. Don't you ever listen to what I say? Next, use negative questions to confirm the following ideas. For example, it looks as if she can't swim. Can't she swim? Next, it looks as if you don't believe me. Don't you believe me? Next, is it true that she didn't pass the exam? Didn't she pass the exam? Next, I believe you may not have paid for your ticket. Haven't you paid for your ticket? I think perhaps you didn't lock the door. Didn't you lock the door? Next, it seems as if you can't understand English. I said no. Can't you understand English? Next, I'm afraid you don't like my cooking. Don't you like my cooking? Next, perhaps you didn't get the letter I sent. Didn't you get the letter I sent? So you didn't enjoy the film. Didn't you enjoy the film? Next, is it true that you and John aren't going to get married? Aren't you and John going to get married? Next, it seems that you don't want any more potatoes. Don't you want any more potatoes?